Welcome to a new video by UpKeep. I'm Ryan Chan, your guide and the founder of UpKeep. Today we're diving into the world of planned maintenance optimization. If you're looking to enhance your maintenance strategies and routines, you'll want to stick around. We're going to break down the PMO process, the benefits, and how to implement it. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of PMO and how it can help your organization reduce costs and improve efficiency. In the world of maintenance and reliability, there's a method that's been making waves for its ability to improve maintenance strategies. It's called Planned Maintenance Optimization, or PMO for short. PMO is all about enhancing your existing preventive maintenance routines and strategies based on the available failure history of your equipment. Most companies understand the importance of a preventive maintenance program. But let's be real. Executing these maintenance activities effectively can be a tough cookie to crack. Everyday demands of a facility and unexpected circumstances that require urgent attention can easily throw a wrench in your planned activities, causing potential disruption to a smoothly running plant. While reliability-centered maintenance, or RCM, can address some of these challenges, developing a robust RCM strategy can be time-consuming. That's where PMO comes in. PMO allows maintenance activities to be carried out more efficiently by tweaking the schedule and frequency of the routines based on the equipment's failure history. The best part? It takes a relatively shorter time to develop, and the resulting strategy can be as effective as performing RCM. Now, let's break down the PMO process into 3 phases. First up, data collection. Any optimization process starts with gathering good, reliable data. You need to collect data on equipment performance, particularly on failure history over time. To get enough insight, you need to set a minimum time period for data collection. Tools like a CMMS program can make this process easier and more accurate. Next, we have data analysis, review, and recommendations. Once you've collected the data, it's time to analyze it to identify which equipment is the most critical. You should consider factors like criticality to the plant's operations, cost to repair, mean time between failures, and mean time to repair. After analyzing the data, review it against existing preventive maintenance routines. Check if the routines are scheduled correctly to align with the mean time between failures and mean time to repair data points, and whether failure points are within acceptable tolerances set by original equipment manufacturer specifications or industry standards. Any significant deviations can be a source of improvement from a maintenance standpoint. Based on this review, make recommendations on modifications for the preventive maintenance tasks. Optimize schedules and frequencies of activities to meet mean time between failures and mean time to repair constraints. Address any missing maintenance activities and redundancies in tasks. Finally, agreement and execution. Once you've made your recommendations, delegate the agreed action items properly. Identified task owners should be accountable for any required action and monitored for progress. Remember, the PMO process is a continuous effort, and reviews should be done habitually. So, what's the payoff? Well, PMO can show substantial reductions in costs. For instance, in the laboratory and life sciences industry, a PMO program can reduce overall maintenance costs by around 25%. The payback periods of investing in a PMO strategy are estimated at around 12 to 24 months. Just considering the savings from maintenance costs. But it's not just about cost savings. PMO methods enable company resources to be spent more wisely without sacrificing the quality of execution of maintenance tasks. It also boosts improvements in uptime and reliability that come with a robust maintenance strategy. Now, you might be wondering, how can you optimize an existing preventive maintenance plan? Well, one of the easiest methods is simply asking your technicians. They've been performing the same preventive maintenance tasks for a while, and they probably have some insight on what could be done better. Another approach is using the 6-1 rule proposed by a maintenance and engineering manager named John Day Jr. This rule suggests that for every 6 preventive maintenance tasks you perform, you should be finding 1 corrective maintenance task. If you're performing more than 6 preventive maintenance tasks, for each corrective maintenance task, you may want to scale back a bit, but only after doing some research. If you have more corrective maintenance than the ratio dictates, you might not be doing enough preventive maintenance, or you're doing too much of the wrong preventive maintenance. In this case, you need to dig deeper into the kinds of preventive maintenance tasks you're performing and see if those are addressing the right issues. Maintenance activities, particularly preventive maintenance activities, are proven concepts that increase the overall performance of a plant. With continuous practice, PMO is a tool that can help execute these activities more efficiently and effectively. So why not give it a try and see the difference it can make in your maintenance strategy? Thank you for watching this video. We've explored planned maintenance optimization, a powerful tool that can enhance your maintenance strategies, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights into maintenance and reliability. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.